Today I'll be reviewing the innioasis G1 MP3 player. So let's unbox it. So when you take it out of the case, this is what it looks like. You have the MP3 player here, and it's a good size. So the screen is about 4 inches going this way. You can see how small it is. And then also in the box you also have this cable. This is the USB cable, and then you do have headphones, which is wonderful. So you do have headphones, and of course you have the manual. So I'm going to connect it with the cable and then just plug it in. So when you power it on, you can see here it shows the charging. So the power button on button is right over here. It turns on. This is compatible with a lot of your music channels and music formats like MP3s, Wave. So when it comes up, you can see that it already has preset in it. It already has all those music apps that you can sign on to, and you can listen to your music from it. Not only does it work with apps like music apps, Pandora, all those stuff, it also works with ebooks. You can use it as a browser, you can use it as a gallery, you can use it as an FM radio. So if you're into FM radio and all that stuff, you can use it like your FM radio, and it's very, very portable. You can just put it in your pocket very easily and quite handy. One thing I also like about this MP3 player is that you do have a slot in here to add more space to it, so it can hold up to 1 terabyte. So you can connect to your Wi-Fi from the settings area. For the videos, it does support 720p and 180p HD video if you want to watch videos on it. So this is an amazing tool, and not only is the clarity amazing, it is also long lasting. The battery is long lasting. You can get up to 35 hours of music playing or 5 hours of videos. So this is all you need. It's really durable, very good for traveling, very good with anyone. And yeah, so I love it. I love how handy it is, and I love that it supports a lot of apps that I normally use.